Hello YouTubers, welcome to my other amazing and useful tutorial. Today I'll tell you how to share a printer on two different PCs. It may be a laptop or a regular desktop PC. So without wasting any time, let's start. So now we will discuss the basic requirements for sharing a printer. So here are the basic requirements. Obviously you need a two PC, one printer, and the main thing is that both the PCs should be on the same internet connection. Otherwise this sharing will not work. So here I have made a setup of two different PCs. I'll tell you one by one what are the things you need to follow on the first PC, and then what are the things you need to follow on the second PC. So let's start with the first PC first. I'm sharing my desktop now. So here in the first PC, search for this PC, open it up. Now right click and open up its properties. Here we will pick up the computer name. My computer name is desktop 1. Remember it because we will need it later on. After noting it down, now we need to open up a control panel. In the network and internet tab, click on network and sharing center. Now on the left side, click on advanced sharing settings. Now turn on network discovery and file and print sharing. Save it. It will be better if you do it on all the profiles. Rest remaining options are optional. Now we are almost done with everything. The last step is to share a printer. So for that, move back to control panel, click on hardware and printer, and then devices and printers. Now select your printer you want to share. My printer is LVB2900. so right click and click on printer properties. Move on to the sharing tab. By default, move on to sharing tab. By default, share this printer will be turned off, so turn it on and name your printer. It can be anything, so I have named it as a Canon. You need to remember two things now: first the computer name, and second this name that you are typing now, because we will need them in the next part of the video while connecting both the computers. So now we are almost done with everything on the first PC. Now I am moving on to the second PC. So here we are on the second PC now. For sharing a printer, you need to open up a control panel. Move on to hardware and sound, then devices and printers. Now for adding a printer, click on add a printer. So we need to wait here for some time. The window will automatically show printers that are available on the internet, on the network that you are connected. Let me confirm my network. Okay, we need to wait here for some time. If your printer comes here, then it's good. If not, then we'll move on to the second step. I think my printer is not being shown here. Yes, it's not shown, so click on the printer that isn't listed. So here we are going to select a second option. Select a printer by name. Now you can see the example below, the syntax for writing it down. \\, then the computer name. In my case it's desktop 1, then \, and then the printer name, it's Canon. Now after writing it down, click on the next. So here we are going to wait for few minutes for a few seconds. It's connecting to the desktop. Okay, here it asks for the username and password. This is that username that you are using to log on to the Windows. So enter that username and password. Remember it for the next procedure. Now this computer is connecting to the Canon on the desktop one. Allow it. Here it's copying the drivers from the first computer. If the drivers are previously installed on this window, it will not ask to copy the drivers from the first computer. So here, as it is going to take a long time, I am forwarding the video. Now the copying files are almost done. Window will take a few seconds to install my printer on this device. It's connecting to my first computer. So you can see here the printer is successfully installed. So now you all are required to follow the exact steps in order to install the printer. Okay, let it finish. It's taking more time. If you guys face any difficulty in installing the printer, you can always comment below. I will reply within few words. Now the printer is successfully installed, so I am going to give it a test print, and boom, the paper is out. I hope so this video was helpful for you. Like and subscribe my channel to make my day. Take care all of you. See you in the next video.